Alright guys, so got a quick video for you. I got a customer complaint saying that every time he turns the steering wheel, it's making a scraping noise. At first you think it's a clock spring, but for some reason, I don't know if it's like build quality or whatever right now, but this is a pretty new car. I'm not going to say which car it is, but this is like the second one. So if you look straight ahead, it's rubbing against this combination switch assembly down there. You can see the difference in gap from there. It's pretty hard to see on camera, but you see the gap there, right? I'm zooming in, and then you see the gap down there. So that's what's rubbing when you're turning the steering wheel. So I don't know. It's second one already, and it's not the clock spring. It's this combination switch. For some reason they have it dialed, right? So you can't really adjust it to move it. I'm assuming it's this the steering wheel lock actuator here is mounted to the steering column, and it's slightly over, and it's not allowing enough space on this side for the combination switch to mount onto, because that's what it actually mounts onto, if you can see, right? And then there's the dial here. There's a little bit of a groove there, so you can kind of adjust it a little bit, but this one is like straight dial. So I don't know what I'm gonna do here. I might just yeah, but anyways, just wanted to show you this in 2024. I feel like a lot of the build qualities in the 2024s are I don't know, I'm not gonna say too much. And you know, for you Honda guys out there who are working at the dealership and you're just scratching your head, so what you need to do is you got to remove these breakaway bolts, right? And then readjust this part, because this is what it's mounted to. And you can see the little bit of a gap right on that side compared to that side. I don't know if you can see it, like right there. So you just got to shift it over just a little bit with new breakaway bolts. That way it's not rubbing here. So yeah, just to show you if it helps. So yeah, so what I got to do is I got to order new breakaway bolts, because once I chisel those things off, right, you got to replace them. But once you remove those, you got to shift the whole steering wheel lock assembly over, so that way your clock spring, right, isn't rubbing against this shaft when you're turning the wheel. And that's what's causing the clock spring noise when you're turning the wheel. Or it sounds more like a creaking, rubbing noise. So anyways, yeah, just a quick video. Just thought I showed you this for you guys at the dealership who are replacing clock springs because of a noise. That's what it's, this is like the second one I've seen this. So yeah, anyways, see you later.